Hey guys, let's talk about factorials. What does 2 factorial mean? It means if we have two letters, A and B, how many different ways can we arrange those? Well, we could do them as AB or we could do them as BA. So there's 2 different ways to arrange them. So the answer is 2. And there happens to be this pattern. If we do 2 times 1, that gives us the same thing. So now let's try 3 factorial. So we can take our AB and our BA and copy it down here. And let's add a third letter C. So that gives us CAB and CBA. And if we copy these down again, this time we can put the C in between them and gives us ACB and BCA, and then we can copy it down a third time and put the C's at the end. So these are all the different ways we can arrange 3 objects. I count 6, so this is equal to 6. And there's a shortcut that works where we can do 3 times 2 times 1 to give us this right here. And that way we don't have to show all the different ways to do it. So now let's look at 4 letters, 4 factorial. Let's copy this down and let's stick our 4th letter in front of all of them. So now we have already got 6 different ways to express 4 letters. Copy this down again and put the D's in the 2nd slot. Now we've come up with 6 more. Copy it down again and put the D's in the 3rd spot. Again, and put D's in the 4th spot. So this is all the total possible ways to arrange 4 objects. And we can count these up and get 24. So you can see exactly what happened here. We took the different ways to do this and we multiplied that by 4. So that gives us this 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is also 24. And in this direction, this will continue on forever. 5 factorial would be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and so on. Now let's go the other direction. Let's look at 1 factorial. We have the single letter A. How many different ways can we arrange A? Well, that's it, just A. Since there's only one way to arrange A, this is equal to 1. Now let's look at 0 factorial. How many different ways can we arrange no objects? Well, there's one way we can do it. That's just to have no objects. So this is equal to 1. It follows the same property. It's just how many different ways can you arrange that many objects? And if you feel weird that this pattern out here doesn't hold, the 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, this doesn't go all the way down to 0. That's because this pattern is not what the definition of 0 factorial is. This pattern was just a convenient shortcut. We didn't even need the shortcut here, and it doesn't even make sense here. So that's one way to think of why 0 factorial equals 1. How exciting.